हमारे चैनल टिक्टल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल नोटिफिकेशंस को दबाएं और लेटेस्ट टेक वीडियोस सबसे पहले टिक्टल पे देखिए।
Hi friends, so what we're doing today is we will be reviewing our product, which is a messaging fan, a USB messaging fan. So how it works we'll show you. I will give you a demo and what comes in the package. Let's open the package and see for yourself. Let's get started. And this is the package. So we have a disc, we have a main product which is a USB fan, and we have a data cable. So let's keep the packaging aside and concentrate on our main product. So we have three things. The first one is the disc. So the disc works, and how it works. Before going to these particular accessories, let's show you the main product and how that works. So let me just get my assets in order to show you how that works. This is the product, and just insert it. Let me just show that to you how this product performs. And so this is the fan, and that's how it works. So as you can see, that is a messaging fan. It gives you a message, so whatever you wanted to give it to someone. So this is the best gift in case you want to gift it to your friend, gift to your mother, gift to your father, gift to your sister. So you could just go ahead and give this to someone whom you love, because it would display messages, different sort of messages in a rotating manner. So in giving you a cool breeze also. So एक अच्छी सी हवा मिलेगी आपको और बहुत ही मस्त सा मैसेज मिलेगा. So this product actually comes with these two accessories. So let's come up with accessories also. So the disc contains a software in order to change the messages that are displayed on the rotating fan. So you can change these messages, you can change these annotations, happy birthday, you can change to the limited letters of words. So you can just change these. And this is a data cable in order to connect the fan with the computer. So that's the use of these both accessories. So as you can see that it's displaying a lot of messages, or you can feed in any number of messages that you want to do. So this is the best gift I would find. So my mother gifted this to me, so I believe that this is the best gift. So go ahead and purchase this product. There's nothing more to say about this, but this is actually the best gift. Because it gives you a feeling like it displays some messages, and this is very cool. This is a new way how you can express your love to someone. So I believe that this is very good, and you should go ahead, go purchase it. I'll give you the links in the description below, and you can go ahead and buy it from there. So this was a review about the messaging fan from USB. It's also a Chinese product, but Chinese guys are doing something good. So this is good product. Go ahead, purchase it, and thumbs up this video and subscribe to our channel, support us, because we would be bringing such more awesome products for you in order to make you feel good about things. So this was a video, and we'll meet you soon in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.